Good morning, children. How are you all? I think you are all are fine. Okay, today we will start our fifth lesson. Okay, are you enjoyed holidays? Yes, you are enjoyed. Okay, so our lesson also holidays are fun. What is our fifth lesson? Holidays are fun. Children, do you like holidays? I think you all are like holidays. Okay, because in holidays you are playing well and you are visit some places. Okay, in your holidays, how many places you are visiting? Like any places you are visiting or any functions. You know, in your holidays you are enjoying a lot. Okay, children. So in this lesson, how you are spending with the time in the holidays and what is the routine in your works, you will know. Okay, children. So now open your studio. So in this lesson we know different types of holidays we are observing, and in holidays what is our routine work. So because of the holidays we are having any break of the routine work, you know. Okay, children. See here page number 49. Page number 49, activity 5.1. Okay. Look at this. Paper activity there. I am reading here textbook. Just you have to keep your finger on the textbook and every word you have to observe and you have to read with me. Okay. See first one. Rakesh has a timetable star beside his pen. Okay. What he has? Timetable star. Okay. Every day we are doing some works. So if you are having any timetable, we are doing perfectly our works. Which part of the day does he do these activities? Draw a picture of the sun or the moon to show the part of the day in the space provided. Here see, they are given some space. Okay, so if the day, you have to draw sun. If the day is the night, you have to draw moon. Okay. See, here they are given timetable. So already Rakesh has timetable stuff. So this is the timetable stuff. Okay. In this timetable stuff, what is the work he is completed every day? Here they just observe now. Wake up and exercise. Every day you are doing exercise? No. But today onwards you have to start exercise. Okay. If you are doing exercise, we are staying healthy. So when we are wake up early, it is good for our health. Okay. So wake up and exercise 6 o'clock. And next one, have breakfast. Okay. Rakesh have breakfast at 7 o'clock. And after school, 7:45. And back from the school. Okay. After school completed, he back from the school at 3 o'clock. And next, my home fun. 3 to 3:30. Rakesh home fun. And next, playing time. Playtime 5 o'clock. And family time 6 o'clock. Dinner 7:30. And sleep 8:30. So Rakesh every day he is following some timings. If he is following the timings, he will know when it is a work completed and how much time it will take in. He know one idea. Like that, you also have some timetables. In your daily routine work, you are having some timetables. So you have to follow the timings in your home also, not in school. In school, we are having timetables. Like that, in your home also, you are having some timings. Some children, they are following the timings. So today onwards, you also can create some timetable for you and you have to follow the timetable step. Okay, children. See here. For example, here they are given some timings. Up to back from school. Wake up and exercise onwards. Back from school. Here what is the session? Day or night? Daytime. So daytime you are observing sunlight. Yes. You have to draw sun. Okay, children. So you have to draw sun here. And next one, family time see at 6 o'clock to 8:30. We are having timings. So you have to draw this time night time moon. You have to draw moon. Okay. or full moon, you have to draw here. Okay children, then you have to complete today 5.1 activity, and here you have to draw pictures sun or moon. A timetable helps us do our activities at the correct time. If you are following timetables, what happen? We are do our activities at correct time. Okay, we don't postpone that works, and we have to do every day regularly. So some punctuality we have followed that, and all of us have a set of activities to do during the week. Okay, so complete whole the activity. Some members they are having some activities, some members they are having another activities. Like that we are having some activities. Every person they are having different types of activities. Okay, like for example, Sunday to Saturday. Sunday to Saturday we are having different activities. Okay, for example, Monday we are having one work. For example, Sunday is a holiday, and after Monday we are having some works. So like that, day wise we are having different activities. Or some days we are having regular works or routine works. Here also we know the word routine. Okay, we usually repeat many of these activities every week. Every week we are having different activities, but every day, for example, you are eating every day breakfast, every day you are eating lunch, every day you are eating dinner. So regular you are doing these works. So these works we can call routine work. What is the children? Routine work. The spelling of the routine, R-O-U-T-I-N-E, routine. Okay, R-O-U-T-I-N-E, routine. Routine means regularly we are repeat these activities in every week. Okay, all the days we are repeat these works, so we can call this routine work. Children, you have to underline these words and you have to learn these words. Every day, what we are teaching in here, you have to underline the difficult words. Okay, after that you have to read in the difficult words, you have to practice that words and you have to spell that words. Okay children, today in this part, what you are having difficult words, you have to first underline. And after that you have to read in the day only. Then you have to complete that remaining activities. Next one, see. Rakesh does not go to school on Sundays. Rakesh does not go to the school on Sundays because Sundays are holidays. So there is a break from his routine on this day. Monday you are having working, and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So these 6 days we are having work. So Sunday he is getting a holiday. So that is the break of his works. Okay. For example, Monday to Saturday we are doing regular works. Morning we wake up, and after that we are eating breakfast and we are go to school. And after that school we are doing some works, and again we are come back to school home. So we are done that activities Monday to Saturday, but Sunday it is the break of his activities. So Rakesh also having the break Sunday. Here see children, turn the page number 50. Which of these give you break from your routine? Okay, so you have to write here some breaks we are facing this. Summer holidays and school closed due to rains. Sometimes the storms they are coming, our school will be closed. Okay, so if you feel happy in that day, sometimes it is. And next, family celebrations. If you are feeling your family celebrations, so you don't want to miss that family celebrations. That's why you need holidays. And outings with the family. In weekends, you will go to outings. Okay, so like that, we are having some breaks of your daily routine. Here see, summer holidays and family celebrations and school closed due to rains or any burns or outings with the family. Here they are given only 4 conditions. Maybe there you are having another conditions also. But here we are having these 4. You have to circle this. Which of these give you break of your routine? You have to circle. Okay. So which is your favorite play? In these 4, which is your favorite play? For example, my favorite break is family celebrations. Okay, if you are having I think you feel summer holidays is the break of your favorite break because you are having more holidays. Or if you your wish, you have to circle in this for anyone and you have to write here. Okay, so which is your favorite break? You have to write here this spelling. And next, look at these answers your partner has given. Are there any differences between your answers and your partner's answers? For example, I'm your partner, so I'm here I'm having answer family celebrations. Maybe you are having summer holidays. So these two differences there. So summer holidays we are having more holidays. Family celebrations we are having only 1 or 2 days like that. So you have to observe any differences are there for your answer and my answer, and you have to tick your response here yes or no. Okay children, then you have to complete today work 5.1 and 5.2. Children, already we have started CWs, so today onwards you are start your CW 5th lesson. What is our 5th lesson? Holidays are fun. Keep the heading holidays are fun. And next one you have to start new words. Okay, in this lesson today onwards you have started 5th lesson, then you have to start CW also. You have to keep the heading holidays are fun and you have to write this today word routine. For example, in this routine your new word, or if you are having observed any new word, then you have to complete the new words. Okay children, so today homework 5.1 and 5.2. After completing of this, you have to send a WhatsApp. Okay children, have a nice day. Bye.